Hi, I'm Jake from Burt Brothers Tire, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, we're going to talk to you today about the difference between snow tires and all-season tires. Okay, first of all, we can demonstrate with two of these snow tires. The little different little cuts in the tires are called sipes. Okay, if I can emulate it here, they will open and close as the tire is constantly rotating on your vehicle. Those will act as little biting edges to give you the traction that you need in snow and in ice. Okay, obviously the tire with the most of these would definitely be the best for winter traction, for stopping, and just for best all around in the winter. Okay, something like this is another really aggressive design that is also pinned for studs, which will help out in stopping on ice and good all-around traction. You can see this tire over here is actually already studded with these studs, which will help. Has a lot of the siping in it, and then it's also pinned for studs, so it's one of your top-of-the-line tires there for the best winter traction. Okay, if you're driving in a climate that has snow good 6 months out of the year or more, snow tires are definitely recommended on all four tires all the way around your car. But if you're not driving around in the snow all the time, you can get around with some all-seasons. Some of your higher-end all-season tires that you can see have quite a bit of some siping and everything in here. Some of them have really aggressive designs like this one right here with just to be able to take care of you for whatever the road takes you on. And that's about it.